Good evening, people. It's Craig. Welcome back. I gotta say wholeheartedly, thank you very much because every time I make a new episode, I get new subscribers. This brand new channel, let me just say first, this brand new channel is for me to create a new community. From my old channel, I knew some people would port across, but there's also probably new people that didn't know me on my Cruising Off Duty channel. I'm really into investing. I'm really into crypto investing as well, not just stock investing, although I do both. And I'm not a financial advisor for you or anybody. And my first thought is don't ever buy something based on what somebody on YouTube says to do. So many scammers out there. It's unbelievable. And with cryptocurrency, you're even more at risk because transactions are not reversible. In fact, dawns on me right now that I'm saying this. The last couple of days, I was noticing that CZ, the CEO or the inventor of Binance, was on these channels with a live feed. And I'm like, oh, I'll watch it. And then I noticed there's no comments below. There's a thing on the side saying CZ wants to thank everyone because they won some sort of lawsuit. So send a minimum of 5 Binance coins to this wallet and CZ will send you back double the amount. And if you send more than X number of coins, I forget, it was like a lot more, like 100 or 1,000 coins, you get an extra 20% more bonus. This is all thanks from CZ for your support during this time, blah, 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 which I'm like, what lawsuit are they talking about? And why would CZ ask you to take Binance coins off of his exchange, send it to a wallet so he could send you back coins? But this was going on for 2 straight days. I noticed these live feeds and it was CZ as far as I could tell. So I started Googling like CZ BNB giveaway, and I couldn't find anything on Google about it. Well, of course I'm on Binance, so I'm on Binance. I don't see anything about any free giveaway. So then I start researching it and I go into the channel. One was called Binance and there was another feed doing the exact same thing called Binance Foundation. So I went into, I think it was Binance or Binance Foundation, and I went into the About page, and then you see all the other things that this channel that had like 650,000 subscribers supposedly, had all this stuff about Indian cricket and all these other things. So clearly it was a complete scam. It was some website or some YouTube channel that somebody had turned into this Binance live feed that CZ's thanking you by sending you Binance coin, but only if you send it to this wallet. Obviously a total scam. But when I was looking at it, there were thousands and thousands of viewers watching it live. And I thought, I guarantee you some of these people are sending their coins thinking they're going to get double the coins back. And there's no way. You can't go to the police about it. You can't call your Better Business Bureau. You are screwed. But anyways, we're all learning here. I'm not your financial advisor, so don't take what I say. Don't invest in what I say just because I say I'm investing in it. I'm learning as we go, and that's really what this episode's about. Is I did the last episode where we talked about Pancakeswap and how I'm really a believer in this. They're blowing up with their volume of swapped coins, and they're killing Uniswap because of their fees being so much lower, like 1/50th. So that was the last episode. And I said, oh, and the other plus is that you can stake Cake coin, which is Cake coin on Binance and get 18% if you lock in, 18% annually if you lock in for 30 days. And I had 2 of my viewers say in the comments, why wouldn't you just stake it on Pancake? And I'm like, I really never thought of that. I thought Pancake was mostly just a swapping website where if you have, I don't know, one coin that doesn't really have anything to do with a different coin, you could go on there and swap the one for the other, because you can't always do that. Even on Binance that has a lot of coins, they only have certain coins that link together. Like you can buy, I don't know, ETH through having BNB, or you can buy Pancake through BNB, but you can't trade Pancake to, like, I don't know, some random small cap coin. They don't go together on Binance. So they're not a combination. But on Pancakeswap, that's what I thought the whole premise was. You bring whatever coin you have and you say, I've got this coin, I want this coin. And they have some liquidity pools and they just exchange the coins for you. Obviously, they take a cut in the spread. So that's all I thought mostly Pancake was. And then when I get on there after these 2 comments, I find out that Pancake has, well, let's just get into it. They have pools, syrup pools. I don't know where they get these names from. Syrup pools, which are really like an open-ended staking pool from Binance with no lock-in, as far as I can tell. And then they have farms where you'll have 2 coins. We'll get into it in a second. I'll show you in a second. But when I got on there, as you can see from my thumbnail, I signed up for farming. I got to get my hands going the right direction. Well, actually, the guy beside me is pointing right at it. This handsome looking devil right in the middle here is pointing right at what I want to say. 370% return on me staking 2 coins together in their yield farming. And then I took my cake coins and I just put them, you only need 1 coin in the pool. I put my cake coins that I bought and I put them in the pool, and instead of 18% on Binance, I got 93.6 or something percent. So these are not clickbait. Those are real numbers. And I want to show you how sort of easy. It's not really that easy. There's a few steps involved. So we're going to walk through that now. Okay, so when you go on Cake or Pancake, you see, okay, so this is the home. There's my staking there. This is what I knew about. The trade is where you call it exchange. You go here, you put in whatever coin. Let's say I want to go Alpha coin. I don't even know what that is. And I want to change it for ASR coin. See, you can just about exchange any coin into any coin. Now, the trick right away is you have to have an external wallet, well, a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet set up and linked. So as you can see, this is my Trust wallet. I only have 0.598 BNB in there. I tried to, you move everything you can to Pancake, but you always need to leave a little BNB in the back because all your fees for transacting, moving coins from A to B will come out of your wallet. And anyways, that's how it is. So you got to leave a little bit of BNB in there because most of the time you're going to get charged 0.01 BNB for moving coins from A to B and all that stuff. So that's the part I knew, is the trading of one coin to another is what I thought Pancakeswap was all about. Again, thank you to those 2 viewers that put in the comments, I should be staking on Pancake, not on Binance. So here's the options with staking. You got farming, where, as you can see here, these are the options. You need 2 coins of equal dollar value to do this. Now, keep in mind here, I said 94% and I wasn't lying. This is you put 2 coins together. If you put Cake and Binance together, you put, let's say you had $2,000. So you would buy $2,000 worth of BNB and you'd put, $1,000 worth of BNB and $1,000 worth of Cake together. And you'd have the ability to farm based on these 2 coins. And as you can see, when we go back, for doing that, you're getting 74.32%, which is nothing to sneeze at. I mean, that's a great rate if I didn't see what's available in the pool. So again, more complicated because you got to transfer over Cake pool coins and Binance coins. And if you don't have Cake, for argument's sake, you could come over with just Binance, and then like over here you can buy, or you can exchange some of your Binance into Cake. So you can get it all worked out here on Pancake. But here's the interesting part. That's farming, where you need 2 coins of equal dollar value to make it work. Pool is like the old-fashioned Binance staking, but as far as I can tell, there's no locked-in time. You can unstake at any time. And look at this. This slightly changes from time to time. I'm getting, my Cake coins are in here, and I'm getting 93.58%. Earlier, it was 93.7 something percent. It all depends on where the coins go. And I was like, damn, sure, not even locked in. So if I really, really needed my Cake back, I could just unstake. And this is the Cake you're earning. And this ticks up. It's kind of fun, like a game. This ticks up a little bit slowly, as you watch it. What I did earlier, this is why I started this yesterday. I would have a higher number, but when I got to about this much, I hit this button called compound. And what that does is it takes what you have in here and stakes it again. Now, the only thing is, whenever you do anything where you're moving coins, your MetaMask wallet will all of a sudden pop up and say, do you agree to this? And you keep having to say, yeah, I agree. And then you'll notice there's always a tiny little Binance fee there. So word to the wise, I made the mistake of compounding it when I only had a tiny bit of Cake earned so far, which cost me a tiny bit of Binance in my wallet. We're talking pennies, but it's just the point of when you only have 35 cents worth of cake coins already. Don't hit the compound button because you're just costing yourself Binance on your wallet. Wait till this gets up to a reasonably decent amount of cake. And then if you've decided you still want to take that cake and throw it back into the syrup pool, then that's all you do. You hit compound and it says, okay, you want to do that? Sure. Yep. Okay, done. And then you just keep adding. So instead of 63.723 cake coins, I would have, let's say I had an extra one here, I'd go up to 64.73, and therefore I would get an even bigger earn. So anyways, this is short, sweet, simple, just to say that I'm learning as we go. I want this to be a community where you can throw ideas at me in the comments, or I'll put my email address, investingwithcraig@gmail.com. Let's make this kind of like an interactive environment where if you've got questions you ask me, I'll take the time and look at it. If I don't know the coin you're talking about or whatever, I'll go look at it on places like CoinMarketCap. There's so much here that you can go in and read and go on the websites and all this stuff. If you've got a coin in mind, let me know about it. I might actually find that your idea is excellent, like those other two that gave me the pancake staking idea. And then I might go, damn, that's a coin I want to put some money in which case I will thank you on a video. But all this to be said is this is supposed to be a community. So if that's the sort of thing you're looking for, subscribe to the channel. I am up to 340 subscribers. Woo! A little more than 1/3 of the way to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And at the 1,000 subscriber mark, I want to do a live episode where I'll give you guys all heads up ahead of time. I can record this live while we trade and we talk and we'll interact. It'll be fun. So hopefully you found this informative or entertaining. If so, show the channel some love by giving me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm push people towards me. Not that they're doing a lot of that right now because I don't give them any marketing money because I'm under 1,000 subscribers, but in the future, it's always a good idea to give people a thumbs up, show them some love, and hit the subscribe button, get me to that 1,000 goal. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, this is Craig signing off, saying ciao for now.